Good morning class 2. So, welcome to your GK class children. As you all know that this is a GK book, right, Junior Knowledge part 2. Okay, and in this class we will do page number 6 of this book. Okay, this is chapter 4 of your book, that is water and its form, and we have completed page number 5 of this chapter in the previous class. Okay, water and its form. Okay, this is page number 5. This is page number 5. We have already completed this in the previous class. Today we will do page number 6 of this chapter. Okay, that is page number 6 of this chapter, water and its form, and the chapter number is chapter 4. So, please open your book at page number 6 and we will start doing with question number 3 of this page. Okay, question number 3. We have already done 1 and 2, we will do question number 3. Okay, now here we can see 3 pictures. So, what we have to do according to the question, write W for those that we use in water. We can see 3 picture. In between, see in the middle we can see a teddy bear's picture, and this 2 we use in water, right. So, what you have to do is you have to write W and see beside each picture you can see one circle given. Okay. So, I have already done for you this one. So, what you have to do this, inside this box, inside this circle, inside the circle you have to write W for those that we use in water. So, number A we can see the picture, number B we can see one picture, and in number C you can see the third picture. So, what are the thing, which of them are used in water? So, the thing that are used in water are number A and number B, C, A and C, isn't it? A and C, we do not use this teddy in water, right. This is a toy, this is a toy. Now, see, you can write W here because we use this in water. Again you can write W here because we this thing also in water to save our life in water, isn't it? So, this you write W here and you will not write anything here. Again here you will write W because these two things are used in water. Okay. Then we will come to question number 4. Question number 4, tick the correct answer. Question number 4 is you have to tick the correct answer. Okay. Now, we will read the questions, and for each question we see there are 3 options. So, we have to tick the correct option here. Okay. So, I will read it for you. Understood? One question number 4, tick the correct answer. Under 4 you will get 3 questions, 1, 2, 3. See, first question is, what do you get when you boil water? So, it is a very common thing, you know, when we boil water, okay, what do you get? 3 options are given. Option A, snow, option B, steam, and option C, ice. So, what do you get when you boil water? Do you get snow? Do you get ice or you get steam? You can see steam, vapor. So, here the correct answer is B, that is steam. So, you will put a tick here in number B, this one, right, this one. When we boil water we do not get snow, we do not get ice also. What we get steam. Okay, so this is the correct option, we will put a tick here. Okay, now come to question number 2. When ice melts, when ice, you all love to eat ice cream, then when this ice melts, we get what? Snow. Do you get snow when ice melts, or steam or water? So, option A is snow, option B is steam, and option C is water. So, we know that when ice melts, we do not get snow or either steam, right. We get water. So, for question number 2, option C is the correct answer, water is the correct answer. So, you will put a tick here. Okay. Now, we will come to number 3. We will come to number 3. This 2 you have done. For number 2, option 3 is C is the correct answer. Now, we will go to number 3. Read the question. Drops of water form on a glass of water the water in the glass is when drops of water form on in the glass. So, we sometimes we can see that drops of water gets formed on a glass of water. When it forms, when the water in the glass is cold, warm or hot. Have you seen? If you put if you pour water, very cold water in a glass, then you can see that take out the water from a refrigerator and then that cold water you pour in a glass. Okay. Then what can you see? You can see drops of water forms around the glass. Okay. So, when it forms, so the drops of water forms on a glass of water when the water is cold, warm or hot. So, here the correct option is number A, when the water is cold. So, for this option A is the correct answer. Done. Okay. Now, we will move to number 5. These are the ways of travelling on snow. Tick what is true in each picture. See question number 5, you can see 3 pictures. So, these 3 pictures, what are these used? These things, these are used to travel on snow. Okay, to travel on snow, these things are used, the pictures are given in the page, in the book. Okay. Number 1, we can see a girl. What she is doing? She is 3 options given: skating, skiing or surfing. So, what this girl is doing? She is traveling on snow. She is skating, option A. Number B, skiing, or number C, surfing. So, the correct answer is skiing. So, B is the correct answer. You will put a tick mark here. You will put a tick mark here for number A. 1. Okay. For number 1, B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Then come to number 2. Here what can you see? This person is also traveling on snow. Now see, the options are he is on a sled, snow bike or snowmobile. So, this is called snowmobile. So, here option C is the correct answer, snowmobile. This person is in snowmobile. Okay, this vehicle is called snowmobile. So, option C is the correct answer for this. Now, come to this is very common for you all, isn't it? So, now see, they are on, we can see some people riding on a what? Chariot, sledge or snowmobile. We know that they are traveling on snow. So, they are riding on a sledge. So, here this word is very common to you all. So, B, sledge. So, here for number 3, option B is the correct answer. For number 3, option B is the correct answer. Okay. So, this way we have done this chapter. We have completed this chapter, that is chapter number 4. Then in the next class we will go to chapter number 5. So, do it in the book itself and get it ready for correction. Okay. Shall I once again I will tell the answer of number 5. There are ways of travelling on snow. Tick what is true in each picture. You have seen 3 pictures. So, in the first picture the girl is skiing. So, for question number 1, B is the correct answer. For question number 2, C is the correct answer. He is on a snowmobile. So, for question number 2, C is the correct answer. For question number 3, they are on a sledge, isn't it? So, here for number 3, B, option B is the correct answer. Okay, so I will see you in the next class, and in the next class we will begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 5. Thank you. Write this all properly, okay, with nice handwriting and all. You just have to tick, but do it neatly. Okay, thank you.